Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making lentil loaves. I'm gonna start with the vegetables. Here I have them all in front of me and I'm gonna be cutting them and do them in the food processor. I have lentils cooking over there and I will show you after I'm done with all the chopping. Okay, I coarsely chopped everything. So everything is done in chunks. So I'm gonna start doing it in the food processor. I will start with the mushrooms. The sweet potato, and I'll do the carrots together. I'll put them back in the bowl. I'm gonna do the zucchini, and I'll put the peppers. Now I'll do the celery with the onions and the garlic. This is going to be delicious loaves. Take this out here and maybe I'll just do the parsley. These are the lentils. Make sure they're nice and drained. If you use the one in a tin, drain them really well. This one I cooked them myself, so I'm just gonna frappe them a little bit. Nice. I'm gonna move everything to the stove and I will start cooking. So we're gonna start with the oil. Put the onions. So we'll saute the onions for a little bit. And I'll add the garlic. Okay, once it reaches the golden here a little bit, so we start adding our vegetables. The celery, and there's onions in here too. Okay, now add the mushrooms. A little salt. Okay, now I'm gonna add the carrots and the rest. The zucchini, and we are done with the vegetables. I'll add a little bit of salt. And once it cools off a little bit, I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients like the spices, and I have the lentils to add in here. Okay, I'm going to get the mixture here and put it in this bowl, and I'm going to be adding all the dry ingredients here, all the other spices. Still hot. Here I have oat flour. Gently, I just ground it a little bit. I'll add it here. We'll suck up some of the juice. We'll add the lentils. Here, I have Italian seasoning, black pepper, and nutritional yeast. Okay? Smoked paprika. And I'm gonna add 1 and 2 teaspoons of flax seeds. We'll add the fresh parsley. This is good. Here I have loaf pans which I lined with parchment paper. Okay, and I'm gonna just do it with a little bit of oil. Glaze. Here I have tomato paste. And this is apple cider vinegar. I'll do this for now. Then I have the agave syrup. I'm going to be adding to the glaze here. It's good. Okay, I'm going to put it in the loaf pan now. I think it's well mixed now. Now, you see, there's one. Look beautiful. Now, I'll get the brush and we're gonna put some glaze. Touch it up with a little bit of oil on top. Okay, now I'll use a little bit of the glaze. And then we'll put the rest when it comes out of the oven or when you serve it. Okay, so I will show them to you when they come out of the oven. Ready out of the oven. They look beautiful. Nice and crusty all around. And you can garnish this with the sauce. So this is the glaze that I made earlier. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.